Hi class, this is Professor Travis Daza, and this is your introductory video for your Blackboard class. So once you are on Blackboard and you enter the class link, you will see this homepage. I am using my ALS 101 course as the example. All of my classes are structured the same way. That means that you have one page in which everything for the semester will be available to you, beginning with the syllabus. So every class has a syllabus folder in which you enter and you will find your syllabus that you can download and take a look at. Then you can go back to the home page and there's a folder called assignment instructions, and you go there and there will be instructions for the assignments that you have for this class. And then the rest of the modules are set up week by week. And for this class, we are reading 4 novels, and so the class is structured into 4 different folders. Each we're spending a couple weeks on. So if, for example, Kindred is the first novel we will be reading, it has all of the readings for that section in it, as well as links to the wiki page for your wiki assignment, a link to the journal page for your journal assignment, and then a link for the assignment to submit your assignment for Cornell Notes. So this is just a very quick run through of what the class looks like. I will go through it more thoroughly tomorrow when we meet. I can't wait to meet you all. Have a great rest of your Sunday.